The requirement of finding a guarantor works against children from low-income families. The next PNP government will abolish altogether the requirement of finding a guarantor to access student loans. I spoke about tertiary education and the way in which it is financed and some of the issues that are facing our tertiary students. And we know that many of them coming out of the pandemic have been struggling to pay their student loans. And we said, give them a fresh start. We know that the Student Loan Bureau in its financial accounts have been making a provision each year. And over the last few years, it's over $7 billion. And we're saying, give that back to the students who are in arrears. Write off the penalties. Write off the interest that has accrued. Give them a break. They deserve it and they need it. And we said, going forward, don't have a situation where any child in Jamaica is deprived of a student loan or is discouraged from applying because they can't find a suitable guarantor. We don't need that. The state must take that risk off of them. And we must get rid of this guarantor requirement for our students. We on this side have always seen education as the antidote to poverty. Tertiary education must be accessible to those who need it most. We will cap the student loan borrowers' loan payments at a manageable percentage of his or her income so that the state and not the student bears the risk of the economy generating adequate employment opportunities for young people. We will eliminate the requirement of a guarantor for a student to access a student loan across the board.